Hello everyone, welcome to Book Bees. This is the first educational video of our static general knowledge series, First in the World. In this video, you will find a list of all first in the world male personalities with photographs, their positions and achievements in the field of governance, legislature, judiciary, defense, sports, music, literature, entertainment and awards, etc. Before starting, kindly subscribe the channel and like the video. World's first man to perform human heart transplant, Christiaan Barnard of South Africa in the year 1967. World's first man to reach South Pole, Roald Amundsen of Norway. World's first man to reach North Pole, Robert Peary of United States of America. World's first man to climb Mount Everest, Tenzing, Norway and Edmund Hillary. World's first man to climb Mount Everest twice, Nawang Gombu of India in the year 1965. World's first blind man to scale Mount Everest, Erik Weihenmayer on 25th of May 2001. World's first disabled person to scale Mount Everest, Whittaker on 27th of May 1998. World's first double amputee to scale Mount Everest, Mark English of New Zealand on 15th of May 2006. World's first man to climb the seven summits, Richard Bass of United States of America. World's first man to go into space, Yuri Gagarin of USSR on 12th of April 1961. World's first man to walk in space, Alexei Leonov of USSR on 18th of March 1965. World's first person of African heritage to fly in space, Arnaldo Tamayo Mendes. World's first man to fly an airplane, Wright brothers of United States of America. World's first person to land on the moon, Neil Armstrong of United States of America. World's first crew to reside on International Space Station, Bill Shepard, Yuri Gitzenko, and Sergei Krikalev. Before going further, kindly subscribe the channel and like the video. World's first space tourist, Dennis Tito of United States of America. World's first man to break the speed of sound in free fall, Felix Baumgartner of Austria on 14th of October 2012. World's first pilot to fly solo around the world, Willie Post. World's first person to cross the Antarctic Circle, Captain James Cook in the year 1773. World's first man to win Nobel Prize for Literature, Sully Prudhomme of France in the year 1901. World's first man to win Nobel Prize for Peace, Henry Dunant of Switzerland and Frederic Passy of France in the year 1901. World's first man to win Nobel Prize for Physics, Wilhelm Röntgen of Germany in the year 1901. World's first man to win Nobel Prize in Chemistry, Jacobus Henricus van 't Hoff of Holland. World's first man to win Nobel Prize in Medicine. Emil von Behring of Germany. World's first man to win Nobel Prize for Economics. Ragnar Frisk of Norway and Jan Tinbergen of Holland in the year 1969. World's first Secretary General of United Nations. Trygve of Norway. World's first President of United States of America. George Washington. World's first Prime Minister of Great Britain. Robert Walpole. World's first President of the Republic of China. Sun Yat-sen. World's first Prime Minister of Australia. Sir Edmund Barton. World's first President of Russia. Boris Yeltsin. World's first Prime Minister of Pakistan. Liaquat Ali. World's first President of Bangladesh. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. World's first President of Nepal. Baran Yadav. World's first person to sail around the world. Ferdinand Magellan. First European to visit China. Marco Polo. Please watch our part 2 video, which is the continuation to the series First in the World, for other categories and achievements. Thank you for watching, and please support us by subscribing the channel and like the video.